A notable win for one of our solution providers was with a national retailer who manages 200 stores across the United States. The end user customers placed demands on the network, both online and from an operational perspective, that their legacy network just couldn't handle anymore. Our technical team, partnering with our solution provider, proposed an SD-WAN network that provided fiber connectivity with mobile backup, which displaced a legacy TDM hub and spoke network. This mesh network enabled the retailer to win in the marketplace, both operationally and from a revenue perspective, by accelerating business transactions. Additionally, it enabled the retailer to develop cloud-based applications where they could develop video technology at the retail outlet stores so they can make on-the-fly changes to their promotions and generate more revenue. Our technical expertise within AT&T runs deep from a managed solutions perspective. Our technical experts know how to develop a solution from design stage to implementation stage. This enables them to really educate solution providers and their end users on how to be more successful in the market. Secondly, our fiber reach covers more than 4 million business customer locations across the United States, and our fiber within 1,000 feet from a business customer location represents over 10 million locations. So as you could see, both fiber reach and our technical expertise are key differentiators in the market.